What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I am doing my annual thing, my current supplement stack, my current supplement list. I will share that with you. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So last April, I put out of 2020, I put out my current supplement stack. And if you want to see that video, that should be popping up like right here. So you should be able to see that. It's right here, or it might be over here, whatever. But anyways, you should see that video and go back and see what I was using last year. Some of it is probably still the same, but I won't. I'll leave that up for you to, when you go back and look at it, come back here. So kind of following that same format, I just want to give you a heads up on what I'm using this year. And again, these supplements are staples, things that I use pretty much every day. And so I know I review a lot of supplements. These are the ones I usually either come back to, or it's currently what I'm using right now. So I just wanted to just kind of be open with you a little bit on that. So here we are. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go from what I use in the gym to what I use like just daily for just other maintenance. So I'll start with that. So in the gym, what I use is I start with my pre-workout, and my pre-workout is right now is this Redcon Total War pre-workout. And I've done a review on this, and that should be popping up right here. So you should see that review of that. And this is what I use for my pre-workout. Also, I actually mix in a scoop of glutamine, of this Body Fortress glutamine, into that, so that I can get my glutamine serving in. That's my pre right before. And right now I'm working out early in the mornings, so I have that and a banana as my breakfast and go do my workout. Then after my workout, back to my trusty Cell Tech. It's been with me for over 2 decades. So my Cell Tech here, my Muscle Tech. And so that review should be popping up here too, so you can see that. So check that out. Also, I mix my glutamine into that and into the Cell Tech, as well as I mix my collagen peptide into that also. So I mix my collagen into that, and I make that drink there. And I think you guys already know that about me if you've been watching the videos. So that's my workout stack. So for other maintenance and just really just health, what I've done is I've included this year some red super greens. So this is actually reds, but it's super greens. It's Country Farms. That's what I'm taking, and I've done a review on that. So you should see that pop up. Also, Amazing Grass superfood, and just like I think I've done a review on that. So I'll let that one go ahead and pop up here too, in case you're interested in going back checking out that review. Also, in place of coffee, especially as it gets warmer, in place of coffee, I drink my trusty Optimal Nutrition Amino Energy, and this happens to be my favorite this year, is the peach lemonade, which was my favorite a couple years ago. And then last year, I think my favorite was watermelon. You can go check the video out. You'll see what my favorite was then. And also, and that I reviewed that, of course, so that should be popping up. And then I do the Quest salted caramel ready to drink protein shake. That is good. Now, I do have some other protein powders that I use from time to time, and I think you guys know that because I do a review on those. But these, always keep these in the fridge. Usually keep some just on the go, just in case I need some protein on the go. And if I don't drink it when I'm out there on the go, then I just bring it back and put it back in the fridge. All right. So that's my current supplement stack for this 2021. This is April 2021. And that's it. And hopefully this helped you guys, let you know what I'm doing, what I'm taking. And you want to follow me on social media, you can follow me on Instagram at thisisb_Rob on Instagram. Check out my Facebook page. That's facebook.com/thisisbrob. And then, of course, my website is thisisbrob.com. Check it out, especially if you need some coaching. That's something that I specialize in. Also, check out my new workout journal. So I got a workout journal out that I just published last week. So go check that out too. Last week, as of the publishing of this video. So go check out that. Grab you a copy of that one. 3-month workout journal or 12-week workout journal. very good. But thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully this video helped you, and please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys. This is B-Rob.